There are special laws that protect people with American Indian heritage. Hi, my name is Vince Davis. I'm an attorney here in California, and I represent people with CPS or DCFS cases. Come with me while I explain to you the special protections given to people with American Indian ancestry. So here's a story. I get contacted by a client who's lost his parental rights through a juvenile dependency case. And as we're talking, he tells me, just as an aside, that he's American Indian. And I say to him, well, you probably got the special protections under federal law under the Indian Child Welfare Act. And he said, I don't think we did. I said, well, did you tell the judge that you're American Indian? He said, yes. I said, well, what happened? He said, well, the judge asked me at the very first hearing, do I have any American Indian ancestry? I told him yes, and my wife from another tribe told him yes as well. The problem was that the county council allegedly stood up and said, oh, those aren't real American Indians from Alaska. And the judge made a finding that the American Indian Child Welfare Act didn't apply. It's known as Icwa. So the case proceeded, and as fate would have it, they lost their parental rights and the children adopted. And the children were about to be adopted. So motions were filed in his appellate case, and eventually the California Court of Appeals ordered that the case be sent back to the trial court, and the case started all over because the federal law wasn't complied with. But by that time, the father and the mother had participated in all of their services, and the county could not prove that the parents were still a risk or a danger to the children. So they got the children back. The moral of the story is, if you have American Indian ancestry, raise it early and raise it often. There are special rules that apply. In California, if your parent and your child is taken away, the Welfare and Institutions Code applies. But if your child is taken away and you have American Indian ancestry and the tribe wants to get involved, the federal law, the Indian Child Welfare Act, applies. It's a totally different law, and it gives the family and the parents more protection in trying to get their children back. If you're watching this video, you probably have questions. And I answer questions like this every day. Call me and I'll answer your questions. 888-888-6582, or you can email me at v, as in Vincent, at vwdlaw.com. Please subscribe to my channel, like us on Facebook, and we'll see you in the next video.